Hello guys, it's me, Iverson. I'm here in the top of the of the thing we bought. There's a lot of family here because there's 3 families, and which I was the second one. And by the way, I'm just hanging from here, and we ate a couple of things in here in the Philippines. By the way, I'm not American because I speak Tagalog, but I just speak English when I post videos. I only speak Tagalog if you want to in my comment section. Even if one will change it. So guys, if you even comment one that I need to speak Tagalog, I will speak Tagalog in Filipino. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Good night.